Malemgi mafam kayada pangthoknabagum National Health Mission gi makhada District Health Society, District Mental Health Program amasung National Health Mission Thoubal na punna sinduna World Suicide Prevention Day gi Palan Thouram Ngasi Thoubal Okram Wangmatabada leiba New Era Higher Secondary School da Pangthokhre. Changing the narrative on suicide with the call to action, start the conversation haipa pandam da pangthokiba Palan Thouram aduda Chief Medical Officer Thoubal Dr. Y Nokulna athoiba mithung New Era Higher Secondary School gi Founder Chairman Ningombam Ozit na Thouram mapu aduga District Hospital Thoubal gi Medical Superintendent MS Dr. W. Ruhini Kumar amasung District Mental Health Program DMHP Thoubal gi District Nodal Officer amadi Psychiatrist Dr. Haigruzam Jinana akhanaba mithunglen sing oina Yaki. Thouram adugi athoiba mithunglen gi warolda Dr. Y Nokul na haikibada depression anxiety leiba miyoi singbu launa ganba laina dauna wari shabidaba thawoi bidaba loina bidaba asi tauroidabani maramasina changing the narrative on suicide with the call to action start the conversation haiba theme da chahi asigi World Suicide Day gi Thouram asi pangthokpani makhoi bu loina raga makhoi gi apamba khangdokpiba wakhal nungai hanba mathau tai asigumba miyoi sing asi thengnabirabadi pau pibiyu haiki Thouram aduda DMHP Thoubal gi Nodal Officer Dr. Haigruzam Jina amadi District Hospital Thoubal gi MS Dr. Ruhini Kumarna suicide haiba asi karino kamdauna thokhanli karamna thoktanaba hotnagani amadi malemgi amasung leibak asida thengnariba suicide ki matangda sandokna wafam kaya thamki loinana Thouram aduda saruk yakiba mahairoi singna hanglakpa wahang singi paukhum singsu Nodal Officer Dr. Jinana Sandokna Piki. Oza Singh, Mahairoi Singh Amadi, Marile Naba Loishangi Miyoi Kayana, Thouram aduda saruk yaki.
Ideas still exist. Family community basis to the equipment changing the narrative on society in a highly society because of course it's a multifactorial problem also mainly related with the psychiatric problem psychiatric depression high problems it affects all the except adolescents even factor except anybody society like the affects every stages of any section of the society. We covered TV, solve a major public health problem. It's a very big major public health problem right now. Even like we land the capability effects. Unless like timely act equation zoom season high reportsi hanadi towaya te jail the thousand person because see me absolutely no zikti han ignore the fagale ko se yamna to thona line habita si ko psychiatric maram se depression ki or anxiety ko main cause ko depression si oi ni bani la matam sana ko ki khangdok pa yengthok pa ati department suyam sauna leile